Hello friends, in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve Wi-Fi problem on Poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to click on setting. When you move on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down to connection and sharing option. Here's the connection and sharing. Here you have to click on connection and sharing. When you click on the connection and sharing in this screen, you have to scroll on the down again. When you keep scrolling, here is the option of the reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. So here you have to click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Okay, click on it. When you click on it, from here you can see inside the reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. See here it has given this will reset all network setting including Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, Bluetooth problem. So it will solve the all the problems, network problems. Okay, if you want to solve the Wi-Fi problem, you just click on reset setting and click on OK, and this will solve your Wi-Fi problem. Okay, uh, not only the Wi-Fi problem, but it will solve the hotspot problem, Bluetooth problem, mobile data problem, Wi-Fi problem, network problem. It will solve all the network problems. It will not harm your clear it will not harm your data. Okay, or photos, videos, it will not be deleted. It just deal with the network, so it will just reset the networks. Okay, it will uh, try to make the network solve. Okay, so if you have the network problem, Wi-Fi problem, just click on the reset setting, click on OK, and this will solve your Wi-Fi problem. Okay, don't worry, it will solve. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.